Hello everyone, Snipe Trading here. Today is February 11th, Monday, and I'm going over my trading recap for today. So I did 5 trades today, 3 longs and 2 shorts, and I made a total profit of $235. I'll be going over my first trade, which is ARWR. So ARWR, it had this $15 resistance in the daily, and it popped up yesterday with high volume. And then I was looking for a weak open red to green move, so that kind of happened. It popped down the open, tested green, it did a higher low, and I went long. I went long here, and then it took some off here, and that was just a quick trade for $30. And then my next trade was COTY. So COTY, I saw this had a high of 370 when I was watching it, and this one was also similar breakout continuation, and I was kind of expecting this 962 to break and then above 970 to fill this gap on the daily chart. So what I saw was when I was watching this, there was a higher low forming during this time here. So I went ahead and went long here, and then it hit 970 and broke it, and then 971, and then it kind of failed. So I put my initial stop at around right here, which was 959. So I put a hard stop, and it kind of triggered me right here. So I pretty much stopped out on the low there of the day, and it ended up breaking out afterwards. So my next trade was DHR. So this trade was more of a SPY trade. So I was watching a SPY pretty closely, and I was familiarized with this ticker. It kind of followed SPY a lot. So SPY was gapping up, and then it was fading down towards red. So I was kind of anticipating that. So I went ahead and added short, and then added to my position when it failed to break out, and then I covered here, and when it went to test VWAP and kind of was consolidating near VWAP, so I took it off, and that was a $55 winner. So my last trade I did both long and short was PTI, and I'll go over my short play. So my short play was this first push here on PTI. What I initially saw was this, it was creating higher lows, and this was the first time that it had a lower low. And if you look at the 5-minute chart, right here, you can see that it's the first new low 5 minutes from this trend. So I added or started my short position there, and then I saw this formed cup and handle here, right here. So you can see this cup and then handle, and then I was waiting for it to break. So I added more position there, and then I covered here, and then that was my first trade short, and I think I made around 80 for that one. And then I did a quick long trade here. So I saw this trend line breaking, and it was holding above this resistance of 405. It kind of broke above it, so I went ahead and then went long here, and then I kind of just did a quick scalp and just sold the rest here. It kind of had more upside, but I didn't really take that. But I was watching this for a fade down. I was watching it for a fade short. So I think this was a level and this was a level. So the first thing I did was I kind of shorted here. I thought there was a head and shoulders here, or a cup and handle. It kind of broke here, so I started short here, and then it kind of pushed up. I had a small size, so it kind of pushed up. It broke into new highs here, but it was like no volume. So I sensed weakness there, and then I started to short the next candle. I added short there, and then I covered some here on this wash, and then there was also this trend line that broke, that also kind of helped me confirmed. So it also did another cup and handle on this trend line, and then I added here, and then I covered here and some more on the VWAP, and then I covered the rest just right below when it broke VWAP. I kind of misclick here, and I think I just give away some fees by accidentally shorting and then covering again. So, and then this trade overall was a $185 winner. Yeah, so that's the my overall trades for today, and hopefully that helps some of you traders out there that are trying to trade small. Once you get comfortable, you can scale up. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.